Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing. Welcome back and thank you for joining me. Today I am sharing a continuation of the haul from the garage sale down the street that my friend Nonie found. And this is actually her haul. And we live right next door to each other. We share. So we try and avoid, at this garage sale, there were duplicate items. So we tried to communicate and not buy the same ones. Are you done? Sorry. Wilson intermission, so that we have a set available, but we don't really need to. And let me show you what she picked up. I've seen this section, but this is only her day one haul. And the second day when we went back and the lady put more out, we bought even more. So these I've seen, and then the next ones we'll discover together. In my updates video, I have two parts. I showed you my first day haul in my updates video and introduced it, and then I had another video where I shared the rest of my haul, and I explained these bottles to you already, but these are her empty bottles. And this is an amazing sentiment set that she picked up. It has all the holidays and thinking of you, feel better soon, wishing you well, grateful, thanks, happy anniversary. I like to have sizes of sentiments that varied so you can do different styles of cards, but not so small that everyone can't see them. So I think those are good. My life is blessed because you are in it. Love and laughter, happily ever after. I thought of you today and smiled. What a wonderful world because you are in it. We are never alone if friends fill our lives. I like that one. I'm celebrating today because you are my friend. That's a great birthday sentiment. You remind me of the sun. You brighten my day. I have to move this one. There are many people that we meet in our lives, but only a few are worth getting to know. Okay, that is funny and good. Maybe that could be for like the snarky collaboration that some people are doing, because it is a little snarky. When I count my blessings, I count you first. I'm grateful for, so thankful for, and then you have your thoughtful gift, your kindness, you, a friend like you, your friendship, everything you do. Here they're mixing fonts. Not my favorite thing, but I think if you do it on the front of the card and on the inside, I can handle it. Or like down below, it'll be cute. Everything you do, just to note to say thanks. The only thing is these fonts are a little small for some of our card recipient audiences. We do share, but I like to know which ones are actually not mine so I don't mess up and put them away or give them away. Kick back and take it easy. Relax. Feel the sand between your toes. Enjoy life. Simple pleasures are priceless treasures. You are my sunshine. Season's greetings. Happy holidays. Merry Christmas. Winter Wonderland. A similar set right here. Dream, wish, love, celebrate. Just a note to brighten your day and chase the clouds away. Thinking of you, God bless you, happy thoughts coming your way. Just a little prayer that God will keep you in his care. Heartfelt wishes, deepest sympathy. I really like the sympathy stamp. Sincere thanks, thinking of you, just sitting here. Just sitting here. Oh, thinking of you, right? ... They're really into mixing the fonts and close to my heart. Seems like just wanted you to know you are in my prayers. Cute little kids, and it's like a baby stamp. The sweetest gift for baby, happy thoughts, which you could use for anything. Sweet child of mine, baby love. I like the animals too. Love this one. This one might stay at my house for a little bit. Love as delicate as a butterfly, butterfly's wings, as strong as the circle of life. I don't know for sure that I'm feeling that, but if I'm not, I could take scissors and just cut that part off because I do like the butterfly and it would be amazing on an art journal page, especially with this or some of the stamps that I recently hauled from this sale that were in my videos. Wishing you peace and comfort. Our hearts are with you. With heartfelt sympathy, may God be with you. Love and hugs. May looking back in the memory help comfort you tomorrow. Tough times are what friends are for. That's a cute stamp. Tough times are what friends are for. That's a nice, you could put like thinking of you on the front and that on the inside. Doesn't have to be sympathy, just, you know, a lot of people are having tough times lately. And I love all these really delicate flowers in this set also. And they have like a cute little heart or flower in almost every set. Hey there, cupcake, my little cutie pie. Everywhere you go, take a smile and a cupcake with you. I'm all for that. And this one says probably the sweetest or something like that. You mean so much to me. Happy Valentine's Day. Thinking of you. Love you. Love is not a matter of counting the years. It's a matter of making the years count. I thought we could each use that for an anniversary card. Mr. Crafting and Relaxing doesn't pay that much attention. I could probably use it a lot of years. Wishing you all the happiest things in life, all the best of everything, hugs, kisses, and Valentine wishes. I don't know that I really make Valentine's cards, but great flowers in there too. And these are layering flowers. So you have your base and then you put your darker ink over it. Very cute. I had to take a minute to reset because it was just too much. So as I laid them out, I saw them a little, but let's take a look together and see what she got. The variety of what she picked up was really amazing. She's a better shopper than I am, so I think she covers more ground than I do. So a lot of these sections she went through before me, and in that case, she's just grabbing what she knows that one of us will want. Sometimes she's tossing it my way, sometimes she's hanging on to it, and I think some of these she was thinking Andrea and I would definitely want. Easter wishes, happy spring, all the cute little boots. I'm pretty sure this boot is a layering boot too. So maybe this is the solid and you stamp the patterns on it. Same with the umbrella. Just chillin'. I like that. Hot, little flip-flops and sun. Nonie loves to do really neat summer cards, and I don't get into summer and summer colors as much. I don't know why. I like spring and fall. Looking good, getting some sun, hang 10. I like the looking good, that's fun. Surf's up, and there's a pattern on the board. Valentine, love you, and a whole bunch of hearts and kind of artsy florally things. This one she got for us for gel printing or backgrounds. Look at this floral and the chevron and the stripes. Look at this one. I did not see this one at all when we were at the sale, but I am very glad that it has joined our circle of friends. Music, print, I use, and another one that I can't find right now quite a lot, but I don't have one that's like this where you just can't read it. I also use some of my other actual sentiment stamps, but this one is just more abstract, gives you texture and interest. I like the wood grain, and then this one too. So maybe I'll just store this one over here for a bit. Florals, little leaves, the bamboo. Andrea's favorite color is green, so any stamps with leaves and bamboo, that's probably something she's going to use. And this one too. Great patterns. See, she's just getting us texture to use on gel prints, scrapbook pages, anything like that. Love these. Great idea. Oh, coffee. Cappuccino, espresso, hot chocolate, coffee, latte, and cups. And I think this is the solid and the image that goes around it. I think these are the same size, and here's the saucer for layering. Very cute. I have misplaced our coffee collection stash, so I will just put that right there until it turns up. I can't group them all together. Thanks, happy fall, leaves. Oh, this is a cute one. Oh, look, it's got little product samples in it already. And she likes acorns and pine cones and stuff. Many, many thanks. Happy fall. This is a really fun one. I like this one. I'd like to see this come back here in the fall, please. Paradise. Happy as a clam. Just horsing around. Very cute summer stamps. She likes floral wreaths, so she kind of wavered on this one. I was like, oh, you probably want that. So you have this one, and then you can put flowers on top of it for layering. And same here, you put your fall leaves and then dots. This could be white embossed berries or something, or it could be red berries, and you could emboss them. Life is good. I like that stamp. I would like to take that. The font is a little bit formal for me for Life is Good, but that's okay. Then you have your banner sentiments for your wreath. This is a fun one. Did we do this one? Celebrate. Hey there, cupcake, lovin' from the oven. Again, these are layering stamps, so you can stamp your frosting and then put your decorations on it in a different color and your candle on top of it. when you have layering stamps like this, you don't have to color. So these are fun for someone like me. Look at these. Buzzing and flutter. You make my heart flutter. Buzzing with good wishes, and it's a bee and postage stamp and sentiment. Really kind of artsy fun. These might be neat embossed, just on a page with some background or texture behind it, and maybe a bit of ribbon, and you could call that card done. They'd be gorgeous on art journal pages too. I'm excited to use those. Oh, I know why she bought this, and we would have used this recently, and she should use it again. Welcome to the neighborhood. Home is where the heart is. We've moved. Fun house. This would also be great, Nonie, for you to make and decorate for winter and snow and fun houses for that, and glitter it all up. I like this. And you can change the door. That's adorable. And all the different windows. You could have flowers or not. Love it. Ooh, here's another good leaf one. Falling leaves, autumn splendor. It's really nice to know what your friends have in their stash too, in case they want to rotate stuff out. Because like, I don't ever want her to get rid of anything that has beautiful leaves and fall stuff. I like that. You hold the key to my heart, tell the story, captured memories. This is some cool art journaling stuff right here. And look at the size of that key. Great for a mixed media type project. Okay, I think I got all the stamps. Now, she was over there digging in the ink pads. And I was like, why is a lady who has ink pads in so many brands and colors digging in the ink pads? And she found me that blue sapphire one that I showed you in the last video. It was well used, and I found the packaging a little bit clunky, but gorgeous color, so I was fine with it. And then she was just over there digging in that bag forever. These are brand new, sealed in the package, and they're in a packaging that's nicer. It's magnetic. I'm guessing this is their newer packaging, because the other one in my video, the sapphire one, it was a little clunky. So look at these. And she got some colors that she can layer. So Gold Rush, Lemon, and Saffron, she can work with those together. Emerald, Glacier, and Mint, or maybe Sweet Leaf and one of these. Thistle and Pansy might work together. Eggplant and Pansy for sure. I see what she was doing. So she bought beautiful layering stamps, and I got some too, and ink pads to go with them. And she even got a couple refills. Lemon, Eggplant, Andrea might take that one from her. Pansy, yeah, that one's at risk too. And Saffron. I don't know if she was planning to share. So look at these, $1 a piece, and she threw in the re-inkers. This is crazy. I'm going to check with her once I get done filming this, but I can't imagine that she left anything blue behind. So we must have gotten the only blue that was in there. So look at her haul. Well done, Nonie. Good job. I hope that all of you are finding bargains near you and thinking about creative reuse stores and thrift stores. You don't necessarily have to go out and spend at retail prices. For $3 or $4, you could have entertained yourself for days from this garage sale. You didn't have to do what we did. Don't follow our lead. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you're taking time for crafting and relaxing and taking good care of yourself. Bye-bye.